Hi guys, I am Kunal Yadav. I am a proud Navkarite. I have appeared for May 2018 intermediate examination and I have cleared it with All India rank 24th. I would like to tell you about Navkar Institute. The faculties are amazing with experience and with great knowledge. In CPT, we have mentors and you can take advantage of the mentors in their guidance. In intermediate level, the examination system is amazing and you should appear for all your exams, because of which you can have amazing results in the examination. And the ERP system is amazing. You get updated SMSs and you can check your reports at any point of time when you want it. Lastly, I would like to tell that you can take the guidance of faculties at all the level of CA coaching, and I would like to tell that I believe in Navkar. We believe in the best.